Millions of tutorials exist online and they show you the perfect code, the clean architecture, and the seamless execution. But they hide the reality. The black screens with red error, the confusion of choosing the right tools, and the weight of the question, where do I even start? And for beginners, building a project feels like staring at a big mountain. I am Souvik Chatterjee, currently a UG student at NIT Durgapur BTech Mathematics and Computing. Welcome you all to this amazing journey. Imagine you want to build a simple task manager or chat app. Let's take the chat app for the example here. Your brain immediately rushes to code the UI. Stop! That is where most beginners fail. Let me show you how actually it is done.
As a beginner, it's okay to be not comfortable with the advanced web tools. Start with a pen and paper. That's also great. Even I started with pen and paper.
First, we plan what is the core feature. If it's a chat app, it needs to send messages and receive messages. That's it. No dark mode, no animated emojis yet. We defined the MVP. Next, we gather our tools. What dependencies do we need? We need to choose the right stack. Don't pick a tool because it's trendy. Pick a tool that gets the job done. Now the big question. Do you build everything yourself or take help? If you are a front-end guy, maybe use Firebase or AppWrite for the backend to save time. If you are a backend guy like me, write the code, document it well, and let the AI handle the frontend for you. Know your limits and know when to leverage existing tools. Remember this is a rule of thumb. Always build the engine before painting the car. We start with the backend and API, we test it, and only when the data flows perfectly do we touch the front end and make it look pretty. The code works, you are happy, but it is invisible to the entire world. It is only on your local machine. We push it to the GitHub. I will show you how to write a proper README file so that others can actually read it. Finally, we don't just build in silence, we document it, we take screenshots, we write about our challenges we face, like figuring out specific backend bugs. We post it on LinkedIn.
This is how you actually become a builder. If you like this video, comment, share and subscribe, and follow me for more such amazing content.